As I mentioned before, if you want to create a folder structure, you want to go to where it says My Files on the left. I'm going to click on that. I work in the computing department, so what I'm going to do is create a folder that I can then start putting my stuff into. So to create a folder, you're going to click on Add New. For some of you guys using the older version of OneDrive, it might say Create or it might say Add, but it's going to be in the same location. So click on that button. This drop-down menu is going to come up, and from here I can create a folder. I can upload a file. I can upload an entire folder. I can create a Word document. I can create an Excel spreadsheet. I can create PowerPoints. I can create a notebook, forms for Excel. That's simply a quiz. So I can create a quiz or a survey. Visio drawing, very, very good tool. You can draw technical diagrams in here. So house plans, layout plans, so on and so forth. And link, you can copy a hyperlink, so a website link, and paste it in here so that you always have it without creating bookmarks. To create a folder, again, click on where it says add or create, choose the first option that says folder. This pop-up menu is going to show up, and now I'm going to create a folder called computing. So simply type the name you want in here and choose the color of the folder. The default color is going to be yellow, but you can choose whichever color you want, and it doesn't affect the way the folder works. So I normally stick with yellow. Now let's say I wanted to create some files inside my computing folder. So I'm going to go into computing, and in here I might want to create a Word document, a spreadsheet, and a PowerPoint. The way we do this is to click on Add New again. For some of you guys, it might be Create, Add New. From the drop-down list, I'm going to choose Word document. When I click on this, it's going to open a new tab, and it's going to open my Word document straight away. So I'm going to click on that. My Word document's now being created. Now that my Word document is open, I can start typing straight away. So one of the benefits of using this, as I mentioned before, is that your work gets saved automatically. So you don't have to worry about going to file and going to save and copying things and making sure it's backed up. It's automatically saved onto Microsoft servers. So if I type, my name is Bob, if you pay attention to this section here that has the cloud and a tick next to it, that means that the work is saved. And if I start typing again, A, B, C, D, E, F, if you pay attention here, the work is saved again. So as soon as I stop typing, the work is saved. I'm going to close this. And if I go back to my folder that's called computing, which is here, as you can see, my Word document was created. I'm now going to add new and go to Excel workbook. And the same thing happens. A new tab is opened, and my Excel spreadsheet opens straight away. I'm going to type 1, 2, and 3 here. And as soon as I stop typing, it's saved. And again, one of the main benefits of this is that you won't lose your work. I'm going to close this. I'm going to go to add new again. And this time I'm going to do a PowerPoint presentation. I'm going to click on that. Same thing happens again. New tab is opened. And in the new tab, you have your file. My slide. Again, everything is saved and we're good to go. So I'm going to close this, and when I come back here, I see all the files I've created and they've been saved automatically. I don't need to go and do anything extra. These names are not great names, so let's name these some sensible things. The icons are very similar to what we would have on the desktop versions of these programs. So the Word is the blue W icon, the spreadsheet is the green X icon, and the PowerPoint is the orange stroke red P icon. I'm going to go to my Word document first, and I'm going to right click on my Word document. I'm going to choose rename from the list. Once I choose rename, I can call this amazing essay. You can call this whatever you want. This is just how you rename files. I'm going to go to my spreadsheet. I'm going to right click on it, and I'm going to call this one budget. I'm going to go to my PowerPoint. I'm going to call this one, again, you right click, you go to rename. I'm going to call this my slide. Not the best name in the world, but that's fine. And that's it, done.